Hello YouTube, this is Too Cool Stu. It's update 2, the snowstorm that's in NYC in the Northeast, December 13th through the 14th, 2013. So as you say, I've noticed it's raining earlier than expected. They said the rain was supposed to come around like 2 to 4 in the morning. It's only like 11 right now. The rain is already coming, ruined the snow. I was hoping to get a nice cover to see how much snow there was before going to bed. Well, you hear how slushy it is, pretty sure, from my footsteps. And the rain's coming down pretty heavy. I believe it was pressure. Some system came off the, Florida. I think it came off Florida, and caused warm air to move up, and caused the rain. Pretty sad. It was a good weather event too. I'm staying in the street for a second. Surprised, a lot of traffic out. Not a lot, but usually not many cars passing by. Actually, not too bad. It's too bad though. Oh yeah, so I think the end of this video, maybe this snowstorm in general, I'm going to upload pictures of some snow pics I took from this storm and the last storm I have uploaded. Oh my god. It's so slushy over here that the water's getting into my shoes. Alright, so thanks for watching YouTube. Make sure to stay tuned to my channel for new weather videos. Including the one I just said, and to take the pictures, compile them into one maybe slideshow. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my other weather videos, and just stay tuned for more videos. Bye YouTube. Once again, thanks for watching.